What does a car buyer really look for when they are actually going out to buy a car? They pull out a list, look for all of the tech before buying and making the final decision. And I feel accessories that you should definitely not miss out on, and upgrades for your car that are essential.
List is a must-have, especially if you're driving in cities where people have very little road sense.
See, exactly. I don't have to flip my lid, unlike what we see on social media and whenever you meet a collision, because even though I was coming from the right side and he was coming from the wrong side, I have a dash cam installed which proves that I was right and he was wrong. And it can also help you in a situation like this, although now I have to take care of this dent, which is a bit of an inconvenience.
Dashcams are like your digital eyewitness. They can be used for evidence for insurance claims, protection in hit-and-run cases, and give peace of mind in parking lots or public roads.
Now, when you're installing a dashcam in your car, make sure that you install it in a position which doesn't impede your view of the road, because this piece needs to be absolutely clear. So I have found a position right over here over the rear view camera. All I need to do is just remove the adhesive over here. And there is also already a protection which I've installed, and then just position the camera and stick it over here, and there you go.
And the one we have been testing is this, the Qubo Smart Dashcam Pro 3K. Compact, smart and sharp. It records in 3K resolution that's clearer than standard HD and gives you a 140-degree wide field of view. Plus, it comes with a built-in G sensor that detects sudden impact and locks the footage automatically. Now let's talk about something even smaller, but just as powerful.
If you're buying a car, you always have to take it out of the showroom with insurance. But regardless of insurance, the one problem that a lot of car owners face is theft. Especially in cities like Delhi, a lot of cars are stolen. But that one gadget that can help you recover your car, or maybe even help in legal proceedings, is a GPS device. Now, this device looks as small as this, and it's installed inside of your car in the main MCU unit. So there's a lot of wiring that needs to be done for this to efficiently work, and it also is compatible with an app that you can track your phone. Now, the best part is that all of these functionalities are within the application. If you want to track where your car is, you can also set geofencing, whether alerts need to be sent to your phone if your car is out of. Best feature of this is your car remains safe. You'll be able to track it down, and it just gives you an extra added layer of protection, which I feel every car owner should have, especially those cars that do not come with pre-installed GPS. So yes, invest a couple of bucks and get a device like this, and peace of mind.
You can even view trip history and drive behavior, all from your phone while using the compatible app. So whether you share your car, run a fleet, or just sleep better knowing where your car is, this is one device that can work silently but seriously.
Me with this problem. Let me show you how.